Welcome everybody to Green Living Path. It's lovely to see you, Green Living Tribe. Today we're talking about quantum physics, how we can create our reality using quantum physics. Now, all quantum physics is saying is quantum physics is basically everything that comes into reality. Okay, so scientists have looking at physical matter and say that it's just energy. It's not actually physical. Um, if you look at it on a subatomic way, you've got electrons, protons, neutrons. Then you've got smaller things, quarks, quarks, and neutrinos. And then you've got strings, filaments, okay, in string theory and quantum physics, which is basically linking up all matter. So it's not solid. It's basically just an energy field that's vibrating at a very high frequency that's condensed, and it's basically appears to be solid. So that's the latest on scientific quantum field. Now, with the ancients, the Egyptians, the Incas, the rishis in the Indus Valley, they all knew that we are creator beings. We create our own reality, and consciousness has a direct effect on matter, on energy. So the way we think and feel have a direct correlation with matter, and there's been various experiments done with that, as I've mentioned in past videos, double slit experiments, and to change our world, to live our dream life with using quantum physics, to manifest our dream life, we have to raise our vibration. And that's one of my mantras each day, guys, is just to lift your vibration each day. And that'll have you basically, by lifting your vibration, because matter is frequency, is basically matter is frequency of energy. So it's just reality is like frequency of energy. So the higher your frequency, the more you can manifest, because the more power you've got. It's like turning up a switch. When you're turning up your vibration, you can manifest a lot easier. You've got less resistance because you're more powerful. So what you've got to do is fundamentally change your story, guys. You've got an old story which can hold you in a certain paradigm, and you're perpetuating the same thing like Groundhog Day. But you want to write a new story. Say to yourself that I am abundant, I am infinite. Having these affirmations, and when you focus your consciousness day in, day out, and with alignment with your energies, then what's happening is that you're actually changing your whole frequency, and you're bringing in, manifesting your reality into the world. So there's various things that have happened in the quantum field, like people talk about entanglement in quantum physics. Entanglement is actually when we were from a singularity. I believe we're all from a singularity. The Big Bang exploded, and we all came from singularity in one point, our physical structure. For example, we've got hemoglobin, which has got iron in it from the Big Bang. We've got all these chemicals and stuff in our body. It's actually back from stardust. Okay, so all these heavy elements are in us as well, like iron. So what's the quantum physics scientists have found, there's a background radiation they've picked up from the Big Bang that exploded, that's actually another universe. So now what's happened is they realize that there's multi universes. It's not just one universe. So we're living in a multiverse, guys. And our consciousness and matter have direct entanglement from singularity, which resonate with each other. So to change your life, you need to resonate with your reality. So what they're saying, the quantum physics scientists are saying, is that all possibilities of you lie in the field. So what you need to do is you need to select the possibility out of the field that you want. Say for me, living on a beach where I live at a beautiful beach, and surfing and doing yoga and helping people grow, selecting that, traveling, having a beautiful soulmate, having a beautiful place to live in, having beautiful friends that inspire you and lift you. So you can pick that out of the field in your state, visualizing it, being relaxed, and pick it out of the field and then focus on it each day, spending time focusing on it, and then think about doing things that help you lift your vibration each day, which are really important. And so you're selecting your reality. It's like you're going into a store, and there's for women there's different pairs of shoes. For guys, there's different running shoes or kicks, Nikes, or like Jordan shoes, Jordan Air. So you select which one you want. They select their shoes. You select what reality you want, and then bring it into manifesting into the physical plane. So that's what you want to do. But to do that, you've got to understand that you've got to change your whole dynamic, your flow state. You must be flowing each day. You must be lifting your vibration. You must be visualizing, having a clear and concise picture of your reality that you want to manifest, pull into this reality, and then have a feeling of knowing that it's already manifested there. It's already in the field. It's just manifesting for you, materializing. Just like you've materialized into the field, right? It's just like all the things in the room you've pulled in by thoughts and your emotions, all the things in the room. It's exactly the same with your life. You can do the same thing because they're just signs that you've pulled these things in. So you're just manifesting your life with a very clear image. And where your attention goes, energy flows, so that you're pulling it into the field with your emotions, just knowing that you're pulling it in. So it's really interesting, the whole concept of quantum physics. I've got a science background from Auckland University, and I've written books, yoga books. I've written novels and stuff like that. I've got 18 books I've written, or probably more than that, but 5 main novels as well. So I've done a lot of research and understanding. But another key way to get downloads is meditating. And I meditate every day for quite a while, and that helps downloading. You're getting information permeating into you because you're lifting your vibration. When you're in a meditation, you're opening up to the field, and the field knows exactly what you need, and it's putting it into you and pulling it into your life. Okay, so that's one of the key things. And the things that are holding you back, guys, is your ego, your programming, the matrix, okay, which is trying to program you, or has programmed you, believe it or not, with fear, lack, competition, all these things. So what you're doing by lifting your vibration and letting go the resistance, you're actually lifting the vibration, and you're transforming your story and your vibration. You're changing your whole entire world. You're a new person. Just like every few years, every cell in your body has been changed. After a few years, scientists have found that the body is constantly refreshing its cells and stuff like that. So you're constantly a new body. And so you can also change your whole story. So you can change your whole life, and you can become a totally new person, the person that you select out of the field, okay, by using all these different techniques: meditation, visualization, affirmations, just writing down, scripting, and things like that. So you're actually getting a whole plethora of ways that are congruent with your manifesting your perfect life, your dream life, guys. So it's a wonderful way that we are creators. You've just got to realize that we are creators. We are infinite beings that are here to manifest our world. And the world's going on the upswing, on the karmatic wheel. We're on the upswing now. So a lot of things are starting to ramp up. More love's coming into the world. The old establishment is dropping away. Their old thinking is dropping away. new people are coming on board that are more in harmony. Harmonizing your energy is key, because when you harmonize your energy, you're in flow state, and that quantum field's flowing through you. You're like a conduit that's manifesting love, oneness, your dream life, all the elements in you. You become love, happiness, joy, abundance, health, youth, and you're constantly sending that energy through your field, and then manifesting your new world. You're actually changing your whole paradigm, the way you're programming, into a more infinite, open, abundant paradigm, guys, which is really important, because a lot of people walk through life with a very small bandwidth and a paradigm that's very, very small, that's in a very small way they live their life, and they've got the ego and attachment is totally controlling their life, guys. So you just want to let that go. It takes time. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. I've put decades in doing yoga and living with yogis and learning from yogis and meeting inspiring people and having amazing experiences. It's been all good. Good or bad is just a word. It's just here to teach us, to help us grow. So if you look at everything like that, and then you focus on and then you select what you want, is the key to actually starting to manifest, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed it, what I've just given out. And giving is really important too, and being light-hearted and joyful is really important, guys. Just remember, you guys are the chosen ones. You're the Green Living Path tribe. You're helping everybody around you, everybody that you come into contact. It's beautiful to have you here. So boop, subscribe, leave a comment if you need a bit of help or any questions. So namaste, guys. Bye for now.